What if the clothes you almost got rid of were actually the beginning of something even better? Today, I'm sharing 50 plus upcycled clothing ideas, and some of these transformations are so creative, so unexpected, and so inspiring that it completely changes how you'll look at your own closet. I found all of these ideas while scrolling Pinterest, and they're packed with inspiration for anyone who loves sewing, refashioning, DIY fashion, or turning old clothes into something new and exciting. As you watch, start thinking about which ideas catch your attention, because I want you to pick your favorite and share it in the comments. I also have a Pinterest board linked in the description where you can save these ideas, revisit them later, and find even more clothing inspiration. Some of these upcycles are simple and clever, while others are bold transformations that look like completely new garments altogether. My personal favorite is number 51, so make sure you stick around to see that one because it's especially creative and surprisingly wearable. One of the best things about upcycling clothing is that it teaches us to see potential where we used to see done. A piece doesn't have to be new to be beautiful again. It just needs a new idea behind it. If these ideas inspire you, make sure to like and subscribe to MIZ Angela Sawyer so you don't miss future sewing inspiration and creative transformations. So get comfortable, keep an open mind, and let's dive into these 50 plus upcycled clothing ideas to see which transformations spark your creativity the most. There's something deeply satisfying about upcycling clothing, and it often goes beyond just creativity or fashion. Part of it comes from how the brain responds to transformation. When we take something old, unused, or overlooked and turn it into something new, the brain recognizes that change as a kind of progress. It creates a sense of reward, almost like solving a puzzle that finally comes together. That feeling is one reason upcycling clothes can feel so engaging and even calming at the same time. You start with something familiar, like a shirt, dress, or pair of jeans, and instead of seeing it as finished, you begin to imagine what it could become. That shift alone activates curiosity, and curiosity is one of the brain's strongest motivators. It pulls us into exploration, into trying, adjusting, and experimenting until something clicks. And here is something interesting. The brain actually enjoys small wins along the way. Every time a piece of clothing starts to take a new shape, it reinforces that sense of progress. That is why even simple changes, like cutting, sewing, or combining fabrics, can feel so rewarding. The process itself becomes just as satisfying as the final result. Another part of this experience is the contrast between before and after. The greater the transformation, the stronger the sense of accomplishment the brain registers. That is why upcycling clothing can feel so powerful emotionally. It is not just about making something wearable again. It is about watching potential become visible in real time. And once you start noticing that process, it becomes easier to see opportunities everywhere. What once looked like an ordinary or forgotten piece of clothing starts to feel like something full of possibility. That mental shift is where the real satisfaction begins. Once that sense of transformation becomes familiar, the creative process itself starts to feel almost addictive in a positive way. The brain begins to associate upcycling clothing with problem solving, discovery, and reward. Every project becomes a kind of visual puzzle, where you are constantly evaluating shapes, textures, and possibilities. And the more you engage in that process, the more natural it feels to think creatively instead of passively. There is also something satisfying about control and agency. Instead of discarding something or letting it go to waste, you are actively reshaping it into something meaningful again. That feeling of participation matters. It gives a sense of ownership over the outcome, and the brain responds strongly to that sense of involvement. Even uncertainty plays a role here. Not knowing exactly how a project will turn out keeps the mind engaged, because it wants to resolve that uncertainty. That is why upcycling can hold attention for so long. It is part curiosity, part problem solving, and part reward cycle all working together. Over time, this process can even shift how you see everyday objects. Clothing stops being just something you wear and starts becoming material full of potential outcomes. That change in perception is what keeps creativity active even outside of projects. If you are enjoying these ideas, make sure to like and subscribe to MIZ Angela Sawyer so you do not miss future sewing inspiration, creative transformations, and upcycling content. Be sure to check out the tutorial videos linked in the description if you would like to learn techniques and see more creative sewing inspiration. And as you keep exploring ideas like these, you may start noticing that creativity is not just something you do, but something your brain learns to enjoy. There is a video on the screen for you to watch next, and I will see you there.